have to censor it and say no free feet. Right, this is the Bigme Hibreak Dual unboxing. If I figure it out. You want to hold it there.
You were holding the box over here.
It's fine. I'll mute this, it'll be fine. Ooh. Who am I kidding? I can't be bothered muting this. A stylus. Exciting. USB port. Info booth. Fun. I don't know what this ring's all about. A ring? Stylish, perhaps? Cute. We'll keep that. In here should be the case, the phone. ASMR for everyone. Lovely. Case very much made out of the same materials as their other cases. Nice, with a space for the pen to live. If I can get it to go in there, maybe not. There we go. Lovely, very nice. And the main event, what everyone is here for. Apart from my glamorous cameraman. Could just out me as having a dusty living room. Lovely. Moment of truth. Oh, they've added some nice little things since the last one I got from them. Right, from the front. Oh, it looks crazy. This is one of the most unique phones of the year. And I have one. Powered off with the e-ink. And there's the glorious LCD display. Can't wait to get this thing on. And that's all that you unboxing perverts are getting. Bye.